Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Clots on the Mountain. My name is Coles and I'm the Scrambling Dutchman. Well, I told you recently we've hit 1,000 subscribers and something big was coming. And yes guys, it is big, it is massive, it's the Matterhorn. I will be climbing the Hornli Ridge. That will be tomorrow on the summit push. Right now I'm gonna go for the approach. I'll take the lift up to Schwarzsee and then approach the Hornli in good time, and then tomorrow summit push. So let's get cracking and let's get there. We're just getting stuck in. Really trying to pace myself because I want to really be out of breath. What a view, guys! Schwarzsee station over there. I can see it in the distance, and traverse. We're gonna go up there. You can see just in the distance at the foot of the Matterhorn. There's the hut over there. Still be a hefty approach, so let's get stuck in. Right, that fills you with more hope. Hornli hut that way. In general, the route is pretty easy to follow and occasionally marked with red and white paint. The path is mostly scree, occasionally broken up by metal walkways or stairs. Awesome guys, awesome. And awesome it sure is. Just a fantastic walk-in, stunning vistas, and in the forefront, the mighty Matterhorn. Awesome guys. Only up is in sight. So I just passed a couple of climbers. I think they were Spanish. Asked if they were successful today. No, they weren't. So it goes to show some of this optional, it's not guaranteed. So I'm hoping I'm gonna get to the summit tomorrow. It might well be not. But it's about the journey, not the destination. The last bit of the approach to the Hornli hut definitely gets steeper. It is here where you will encounter most of the stairs. What an approach, guys, Jesus. So we stopped there for a bit of spotland by that lift station down there. Traverse all the way up there, around, all the way up here. And I don't think we're too far away from the Hornli hut at the moment. Just stop for a water break, get some water on board. Saying that, I've gone through about 1.5 liters just on the approach alone. Crazy. So bring plenty of water when you're coming up here, especially when it's warm. Oh yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this view for a minute, guys, and then get up to the Hornli hut. Yeah, I was right, nearly there. You can just see the top. Fantastic. There's the Hornli hut. Let's go and do this and get up. Oh yes. We made it to the Hornli hut. Let's go and check in. After checking in, there was a delivery, Alpine style. After my Amazon delivery, it was time to explore the area a little bit and have a look at the start of the route. I am happy as a pig in shit today. We'll see how we feel about that tomorrow. It's going to be one hell of a climb. So looking forward to it, guys. So looking forward to it. Now we're just going to the start point over here and touch the Matterhorn for good luck for tomorrow. It looks like you're going up the snowbank here. I'm going to walk up there and touch the Matterhorn. Boom. The Matterhorn. In the pitch black at 10 to 4 in the morning, we set off. Coming. Together with my guide Christian, we were second in line. It was pretty fast paced and felt relentless. However, wanting that summit, I kept hammering on. We kept hammering on and I was struggling to keep my breathing under control. Until the fateful moment, 5 days straight on the Mont Blanc, finally caught up with me. Good morning guys, don't know how many meters we are up at the moment. Yeah, feeling it big time. The Mont Blanc has taken a lot out of me, so I already know we're not going to make it. I already spoke about that with the guide, Christian.
Good morning.
Morning. Safety comes first. I don't want to risk his life, anybody else's life, including mine. Well, we're going to go up a little bit further anyways, and just catch the sunrise and then make our way down once everybody's past us probably. Or maybe a bit further, we'll see. Well, yeah, I'm gassed. Too much graft on the Mont Blanc, and yeah, not enough rest. It's my fault, absolutely gutted. With the pressure now completely off, I was able to enjoy the climb. It was still dark, but fortunately I was able to see a lot more than my GoPro actually captured. And an added bonus, there was more time for the guide to actually explain some stuff about the Matterhorn.
In the crack is ice. This is why it's called ice clock.
So I just made a fair point to Christian. So the channel was actually called Clogs on the Mountain, not Clogs on the Summit. Good joke. Oh wow, look at that. Stunning. Here a little bit of a temperature inversion. Absolutely stunning. We've got clouds rolling in for Spencer's views. Yes. Oh, a lot of loose rock here. How beautiful is this? How beautiful. Is this the yellow path then, is it?
Yeah.
Whew.
Yeah, and the clouds sneaking in. Huh?
Look at that view, guys. Inversion. And we got the sun rising.
Sunrise comes.
And Christian enjoying the view. We've got a cloud rolling in for Spencer. Yeah, geez guys, it's absolutely amazing. But yeah, it's just underestimated. Especially when you plow through in a Mont Blanc that I have for 5 days straight. Have 1 day of rest. It's just not enough. Ideally, you need to be fully acclimatized and then rest a few days after before you do this. You can see the summit up there. There's a little bit of cloud around it now, but it looks so close. But yeah, so far away. But yeah, I'm absolutely chuffed to bits being here already. We're just going to admire the view for a bit and then see what we're going to do next. So yeah, it's 366. I've just been told by my guide Christian. And we're calling it because my legs are shot. But yeah, we're going to film some bit on the way down and enjoy this lovely view, guys. We're down climbing the Matterhorn, guys. Trading dawn for daylight, we were now down climbing the Matterhorn, facing forward. The key benefit of down climbing facing forward, you get a front row seat to all the stunning vistas the Matterhorn has to offer. Look at that view. Can't argue with that. You really can't argue with that. That is absolutely stunning. Can we see the Hornli hut yet? No, we can't. Look at the inversion, guys. Fantastic. You know, as gutting as a bow is, this makes all up for it. Fantastic. Get more sunshine on the face now, guys. You can see the Solvay up there. No orange square speck. We're not going to see that. Well, look at them clouds. With sadness in my heart, we continued on our way down. However, the stunning views and the great climbing were definitely a healer. With the sun's golden rays hitting the Matterhorn, we continued our way down. With some fantastic down climbing sections, our bow had soon been forgotten. It's nice scrambling though. And nice, it sure was. I was loving every second of it. The descent just felt endless, but that was fine with me. I was very happy to be on the slopes of the mighty Matterhorn. After all, it's such a great honor to be on such an iconic mountain. As we continued our descent, we were getting closer and closer to the Hornli hut. Just as well, because the lack of breakfast and fatigue were definitely not my friend at the moment. But the thought of a warm cup of coffee at the Hornli hut kept us going. Oh, I'm creaking at the seams, guys. I'm creaking at the seams. Solvay hut back inside. Solvay, I do it again. There's the Hornli hut back inside, guys. So we're nearly off.
Your brain is focused for Solvay hut.
Yeah. It's well, it goes to show I'm tired. And then the last rope traverse where we started from this morning. Yeah. Down, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Let's do this again. Whew. Whew. Christian making his way down. And just like that, we're back off the Matterhorn. Absolutely got it. But the right goal to make, guys, you know, it's not worth it. It's not worth the risk. You gotta be fit as a fiddle and well rested. We're gonna go to the Hornli hut. Hey, is that right? Didn't I?
Right, yes.
We're going to the Hornli hut and have a coffee. I'll catch up with you there. So yeah, back down safely, guys. Back down safely. Yeah, quite emotional, but it was the right call to make. Absolutely right call to make. Yeah, so I've pushed myself too hard on the Mont Blanc. Didn't take enough rest. Yeah, that's where we ended up. But still, it was a fantastic experience just to be on the Matterhorn alone. In the end, we got up to 3.7, so 500 meters of ascent. So I was nearly halfway there, but the legs were burning, and having in mind still have to go 600 meters, 700 meters further, and then back as well. It was just not safe for me to continue on, so that's why I called it. So if you got these kind of gut feelings, you gotta listen to them when you're especially on big stuff like this, in the mountains as well. Obviously scrambling in Wales or Scotland, you gotta listen to your gut at times, and that's what I've done today. So yeah, sorry guys, I have to disappoint you with no summer views today, but we're back at the Hornli hut, and there's still some temperature inversion. I'm going to show you that right from the deck over here. Look at that. That is awesome. So that's our way back down there as well. So that's what we'll be doing in a while. I'll be packing up and then get my kit ready and get back to Zermatt and lick my wounds. And probably make a plan whether I'm gonna do my next adventure or not, or just head back to the UK. But yeah, it's been a fantastic experience. I'll definitely be back, but I will be taking it a lot more serious with plenty of rest, and yeah, do it again fitter and rested. So if you like this episode, guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, unless you've already done that. If you want to get more benefits out of the channel, check out our members area. For now, thank you all for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one. And say goodbye to Christian. Christian, say goodbye to Christian.
Hi.
That's me from the Matterhorn, guys. See you later.